What is a variable in programming? A variable is a named storage location in the computer's memory for holding a piece of information. Now, I will explain the meaning of this definition. But first, understand that a computer's memory is divided into a large number of blocks of some size, and each of these blocks will be assigned some address. Why we assign this address? Why the computer assign this address to these blocks? Because the information that is stored in these blocks, we will be using that information. So, like address of a house, to reach a house we need its address. To reach information stored in a particular block, we need an address. Now here, this is my one block at address 1000. This is my one block 1001. At 1002 I have another block. At 1003 I have another block. Now here, see, at 1003 sequence of zeros and ones is stored. 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Okay, so this information represents number 8 in binary format. Each of this 0 or 1 represents 1 bit of information. For the sake of this example, I have considered integer to be of 1 byte. Okay, that is 8 bits. However, according to C standard, integer data type may take up to 2 or 4 bytes. For simplicity purpose, I have assumed it takes 1 byte. So here, 1 byte is 8 bits. So sequence of zeros and ones is stored across 8 cells to store this information. This is simple binary representation of number 8. Although, let me tell you that actually in computer, every information that is stored in memory will be stored in 2's complement representation. That is another thing. For the sake of simplicity, just assume that it is being stored as simply in binary representation, signed binary representation. Okay, now next. So whenever I need to use this information, what I will be using? I will be using this address. Now for this little information, remembering this one address is the simple task. But assume when we have large number of blocks containing a lot of information and we have a number of addresses. So as a user, it becomes a tedious task to remember all of these addresses. So in languages like C, Java and all the programming languages, what we have, we can name this storage location using some name. Okay, so meaning of this is, whenever we need to use this information, instead of using this address, I will be using that name to refer to this piece of information. Now in language like C, this is a syntax to tell the compiler that I have a variable named var. It will be holding integer type information, that is 8. Integer type information means simple number 8 without any decimal digits. So to the compiler, I am telling var is my variable of integer type holding 8. In this single line, I have done declaration, definition and initialization. These three will be covered in my next video, but for sake of simplicity, just remember that I am telling the compiler that var is a variable in my program, and to refer to this piece of information, I will be using this name var instead of using the address 1003 again and again. So here, this is a syntax in C to print some value. So here I am printing the value stored at this named memory location 8. What it will give me? It will give me 8. Okay, this is simple. So I have not used the address 1003. Instead, I have simply used the name var. Here var is a named memory location where number 8 is stored in binary format 00001000. So this is first part of the variables definition. The second part is the information stored in variables may change while the program is running. How that information may change? As a result of some arithmetic operation like multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, or some assignment operation. Here, first one is the addition. Where gives me 8, it is storing 8, and 8 plus 9, 17. This 17 is assigned to where. Previously, the memory location 1003 or where stored 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now, as a result of this operation, this information has been changed to 17. This is the binary representation of number 17. So 8 has been replaced by 17. The address is same, however the information is changed. So variable means the information that it is holding may change with time depending on what are the operations that we apply on that variable. Also, as a result of assignment operation, this is my assignment operation, equal to, I am assigning some value to I. As a result of this also, the information stored in variable may change. Now initially I is my variable, it is holding number 8. The representation is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now where is holding 17? Here it is holding 17, and 17 has been assigned to I. So now this memory location will be storing 17. Remember that I will be having or will be pointing to some another block, that is it may be 1000, 1001, 1002. The memory location for where and I is not same. That is, although where and I is holding 17, but it will be, both of these will be pointing to different memory locations. So this is all about variable. In the next video, I will be covering declaration, definition and initialization of variables, scope rules and storage classes. Stay tuned. Thank you.